Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Roblox in laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing, just Google download Roblox. We'll be getting the first link. Select this and here we are having download Windows app. Click it. The download will be getting started, just 9 MB in size. Open it and the Roblox installation will begin. Just be patient. So after some time you will be getting an interface like this. Here we are having two options. One is sign in if you already have an existing account. If you don't have an account, you need to create a new account. So if you don't have, just click on create account and enter all these details. So after you sign in, you will be directly taken to the Roblox interface like this. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.